So let me just ask you right off the bat, what is a sales performance expert?
So as the sales performance expert, what I do is I take my 25 plus years of sales and sales leadership experience, and I help other organizations and individuals be able to actually implement skills and techniques that they learn. And the reason I call it sales performance is it truly is about how do I perform? It's not just here, I read a book on sales or sales leadership or leadership in general, and then I know it. The reality is we don't adopt what we learn as part of who we are in just a one book reading or a one-day workshop or a one-day seminar. So what I've learned is in order to create sustainable change, it really takes hand-holding and feedback over time. The best analogy of this is golf. I could probably teach you how to swing a golf club in a day, the grip, the stance, etc. But that doesn't mean you're going to be on the PGA Tour in a week or two or three, right?
Yeah.
Learning is one thing, implementing, doing, and mastering is another. So as a sales performance coach, I take that 25 plus years of experience and I coach and mentor and teach and train organizations and individuals how to do it. And then I actually help them implement in there and strategize within their world. So it's real world. It's not just, here's a great idea. Oh, that was neat. Yeah, I attended a training once, but I'm not implementing it. Oh yeah, I took a golf lesson. I took a golf lesson once. Yeah, how's your game? It hasn't really changed. That's what
Yeah.
happens. That's not what we want. So that's
Yeah.
what I do.